The glorious Model O is one of my favourite mice of the last couple of years, but the honeycomb structure which makes it so light also makes it kind of difficult to clean. So in this video I'm going to show you how I go about cleaning my glorious Model O-. First, to clean the exterior of the plastic shell, it's enough to just use a clean microfiber cloth which has been slightly dampened in water. It shouldn't be wet because you don't want water making its way inside where it could damage the electronics. It just needs to be slightly damp to the touch. Once the exterior is clean, you'll probably notice that there's still a lot of dust on the frame inside, which you can see through the holes. I'm going to show you 3 methods to clean that dust out. The simplest way is just to use either a rocket blower or a can of compressed air to blow the dust out. Hold the mouse upside down and blow air through the holes to dislodge the dust. The air should get rid of most of the loose particles of dust, but there's often some more stubborn dust still in there. So next you can move on to using a soft bristled brush like this one. Just insert the brush into each of the holes and brush downwards to dislodge the dust, and it should fall out. Sometimes even after using the air and brushing, you can still see dirt inside, so the only option left is to pop off the back of the mouse and clean the interior with a Q-tip. To remove the back you need some sort of thin plastic tool like this guitar pick from iFixit. Just insert the tool into the gap between the upper and lower parts of the case and slide it backwards to release the clips. There are 4 clips holding the case together, 2 at the front and 2 at the back. You'll hear a click as they're released. To clean the inside of the mouse, I'm just using a Q-tip or a cotton bud dampened with isopropyl alcohol. While you have the mouse open, you can also use air again to blow out any remaining dust from the top. You can also clean the underside of the top cover with a Q-tip. Once everything's nice and clean inside, you can replace the top by lining up the clips with the holes and pushing it down until the 4 clips snap into place. Once the mouse is back together again, you can use another Q-tip with isopropyl alcohol to clean the scroll wheel. Just wipe each of the indentations one by one to remove any dirt or grime that might be on there. And that's it, the mouse is back to looking like new again. Hope this helps. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.